The cost of orthodontics depends on several factors, but I can give you guys a pretty decent sense. First thing I want to say is it really depends on the area. And area to area it will differ. So we're focusing mostly with our area, which is San Diego. It can range really anywhere from $1,500 to $6,000. And what really determines the cost tends to be, first and foremost, the duration of the treatment and the nature of what is required. So if it is a short, limited treatment, the cost will reflect and be on the lower side. If it is a comprehensive or a treatment that takes many appointments and requires many devices and lots of doctor time especially, that tends to increase the cost. Now, for those who have insurance, we always get the question of what sort of coverage will insurance have. Either there's going to be orthodontic coverage in a policy or there is not. So that's the first thing to consider for you to see if your dental plan has orthodontic coverage. So if an insurance has orthodontic coverage, and many of the dental policies, at least in our area, do have it, it tends to range between $1,000 to $2,000, and really I would say probably 90% of them fall right in that $1,500 maximum lifetime allowable. And it's usually paid out at 50%, which is just, they're making it really complicated. They're saying, we're not going to pay any more than the maximum allowable, which is generally about $1,500, and we're only going to pay at 50%, which means if the orthodontics cost $2,000 altogether, we're only going to pay 50% of that because they want the patient to pay the other 50%. And the other point that I just mentioned is they are generally, orthodontic policies generally are a lifetime maximum, which means with a specific insurance company or a specific group, you will only get that maximum once per lifetime. So it's not something that, unlike your dental insurance, would renew every year. So with that in mind, many orthodontic practices in the area have some great options to make orthodontics very doable and affordable for families. And those include things such as outside financing or in-house financing, and many times they're interest-free financing options as well. And in general, I would say many practices offer 0% interest, and they allow patients to have payments that run anywhere from $100 to $200 or so a month, and which lasts the duration of the patient's care, so whatever the duration may be, a year, 2 years, 3 years, what have you. Hopefully that sheds some light on the cost of orthodontics for you.